Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm April at Stunning Style, and I share classic outfit inspiration as well as style and beauty tips and tricks on my blog and on YouTube. This week's lookbook is sort of a mashup. The first 3 days, we finished up the Get Up and Get Stunning challenge from the Stunning Style Society Facebook group. If you saw last week's video, I shared the first 7 days of outfits from that challenge and explained a little more about it, and I'll link that here. The rest of the week, my family was at the lake, and so my outfits were quite a bit different from what you would see in the Get Up and Get Stunning challenge. Most of the day was spent in swimsuits and cover-ups, but in the evenings we did go to some activities that required actual clothes, and I shared those outfits this week as well. Because I was spending time with my family, I didn't take any pictures or do any work, so I recreated the outfits when I got home in my studio, and that's why the pictures are not by the lake. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I post a weekly outfit lookbook on Thursdays. If you're interested in seeing the still images for these pictures so you can pin them to Pinterest, there's a link in the information box down below to the blog post that's associated with this lookbook. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you find this inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be notified every time a new video goes live. I share these lookbooks every week and you don't want to miss anything. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next week.